New year, new innovations. Today, we're going to walk you through the latest AI-driven floor plans and share a special offer, 35% off your first order with promo code GETSTART. In the competitive real estate market, speed and clarity can make or break a deal. High-quality visualizations help developers show off properties clearly, cut down buyer hesitation, and close deals faster, especially during high-pressure periods like the holidays. One of our recent clients, a US-based developer, shared how Getfloorplan helped them pull off multiple sales right before the holidays.
Right before the holidays, we were able to wrap up several deals quickly, thanks to Getfloorplan's fast turnaround and high-quality visuals. The floor plans and 3D tours helped our clients see through the space clearly and make decisions right away, an excellent tool for speeding up sales. William Smith, USA.
During peak sales periods, developers often run up against tight deadlines and limited time to prepare marketing materials. With Getfloorplan, they were able to turn around professional 2D floor plans and immersive 3D tours in record time, ready to hand over in sales presentations immediately. Clear layouts and realistic visuals help buyers get a feel for the space instantly, reducing friction and moving deals along faster. Developers choose Getfloorplan because we help them speed up approvals, set up high-quality visuals for marketing and sales, and bring across property layouts clearly, whether before or during construction. Getfloorplan isn't just a visualization service, it's a practical sales tool that helps you turn plans into decisions. Start the year strong. Take advantage of 35% off your first order with promo code GETSTART. Transform your real estate marketing with fast, professional AI visualizations, 2D, 3D, and 360-degree tours delivered in just 24 hours. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos with the latest tools, tips, and innovations for developers and real estate professionals.